In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Taobao app in English. 2025. Step by step. Start by opening the Taobao app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Being signed in helps the app save your preferences, including language, across sessions, and ensures your shopping experience stays consistent. From the home screen, head to the My Taobao section. This is the icon in the bottom right corner of the app, and you may see it labeled in Chinese as Wo De Taobao. This area is your personal hub, where your profile, orders, and settings live. Once you're on your profile page, look for the settings. You'll typically find this by tapping the three dots or the small gear icon in the top right corner. The settings label in Chinese is Sheizhi. If you don't see it right away, scroll a little. It's almost always near the top of that page. Inside settings, select General Settings, which may appear as Tongyong. This is where the app groups universal options that affect how Taobao behaves, including language, notifications, and display preferences. Now open the language section, shown as Yuyan. This is the dedicated area for switching the interface language. Keep in mind that this change affects menus, buttons, and system messages. Images, product photos, and seller-uploaded pictures may still display text in Chinese, since those are not app-generated. When you see the language options, choose either English, which may be labeled Yingwen, or International Version or International Mode, shown as Guojiban. Depending on your app version and region, you might see one or the other. International Mode often adjusts more than just text, sometimes optimizing layout, currency display, and certain features for global users. Pick the one available that best matches your preference, then confirm the selection. To make sure the changes take effect, fully restart the app. Close Taobao from your recent apps or app switcher so it isn't running in the background, then reopen it. When the app relaunches, your menus and key screens should appear in English or the international layout you chose. If some areas still appear in Chinese, that's normal for seller-generated content or embedded images. If you don't see English or international mode as an option, it can help to update the app to the latest version and ensure your device's region settings support international features. Also note that address details and names you enter will remain exactly as you type them, regardless of